So that's how the braid looks. Now that we're finished with the back, let's undo the front. So this is where you can get creative and you can play around.
Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. In case you're new here, I do weekly vlogs on lifestyle, travel and fashion, and today I'm coming at you with a hair video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe, then let's continue. So today we're going to be doing a faux mohawk with braids. So I have this packet of Darling Abuja long braids in the color 2, and that's what I'm going to be using. But before that, let's toss that aside. So before that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure your hair is sleek, and we're going to be dividing it into 3 sections because we're doing just one long braid in the middle. That's like a mohawk but with braids. So let's get into combing the hair and making sure it's sleek. Now that you've gotten your hair straight and sleek, we're going to section it into 3 parts. So I'm going to divide it. First section is at the front, so you just need a little piece of hair or a little section of your hair. And guys, make sure to use a mirror so that you get straight lines. Yeah, that's not straight at all. So once you've gotten your first section, you can just twist that up and put it aside because we are not doing that section yet. So let me just twist it up and put it aside. Guys, it doesn't matter the length of your hair. You can do it with short hair because you're adding on to it braids. So if you have long hair, short hair, it will still work. So let's go into our second section. You're going to try and divide the second section into 2. So I'm just going where my arc of the eyebrow is and drawing a line there. This is where it gets tricky because I can't see the back of my hairline. So I'm just assuming that I'm correct. And also guys, you'll be tying it into a high ponytail. So when you're getting a hole in your hair, make sure you hold it a bit tight and up. So that's the second section. Tie that up. And then we go in for one more section. So you divide the remaining hair again into 2. Yeah, that looks correct. So I'm just tying that up again. Then you have the remaining hair. So I'm going to be using a bit of water and a bit of gel so that I can make sure everything is smooth and laid and looks nice. Guys, okay, so what I'm doing is sectioning my hair, and I've already done 3. So just comb the hair straight and then tie it up into a ponytail. So I'm on the last section. Try and make your lines neat. If you can get somebody to help you with it, that would be better. But if not, no worries, girl, no worries. I'm going in with a little gel for the front, just to make it more neat. Also for the edges. Okay, I think we're ready. So guys, you have your 3 parts, and try and make them really as straight as you can, because we're going to be going in with the braids and adding them onto the hair. So you don't want the hair to be poking out and to be seeping through. So let's open up this hair. So this is how the hair looks like. Just run your fingers through it to remove any loose hair, because that won't be cute, girls. That won't be cute. So guys, you see the braids come with a rubber band. So you just take the rubber band and attach it to the hair, to your hair. So let's do this many times. I think that's enough. Then just turn the hair. So guys, you can see there's a bit of rubber band that is being seen, but don't worry about that. Just take out a little bit of the braids or the hair, and leave that out, and then just twist that over where the rubber band is being seen, over the hair, so that it looks neat. Like that. See, you can't see the rubber band now. So this is where the tough part comes in. We have to braid this hair. So let me turn so I can show you. So you get, I also need help here, guys. Okay, so you get a section of the braids and mix that up with your hair. So you'll be braiding, getting a piece of your hair and a piece of the braids and going down. That's how the braid looks. Now that we're finished with the back, let's undo the front. So this is where you can get creative and you can play around. So the first style for the front is, you could just twist it, put a pin maybe, and yeah, a little bit like this. Let's try it out. If you have shorter hair, this would look better. So you could leave it like this. Or for the final look that I have, but you guys comment down below and let me know what you do with the front of your hair. If you'd braid it, if you'd let it loose, or if there's something else that I don't know about. You can also just twist your hair. Make a small twist. And put it like that. Pin it down. Oh, it doesn't want to be pinned down. Pin it down and tuck in the edges in your other hair, and that also is a look. So guys, that's my final look. Just an easy way to have a simple but classy look, and it's so affordable. It's really, really affordable. Just one pack of braids and your hair, and you can, I guess, add accessories to the hair. You can put little pins, little cute things, string, colorful string, and it's a look, guys. It's a look. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, and if you've done this style, how it works for you. Do you slip in the braid or do you remove it, and how you maintain the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've enjoyed making this video for you. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can get more of my videos. And guys, let's share the love. Let's share the love. Thanks for watching. See you later.